Hey you guys, it's your girl ShaeexMari, and I'm here today testing out some of Fenty Beauty's newest products that just launched. Alright, so I'm gonna jump straight into the tutorial. I already did my brows and primed my face off camera. I primed my face using the Pore Professionals primer, but here it is again. I'm going back in with the Pro Filter Instant Retouch primer, and I'm just making sure that I'm super primed because your girl gets super oily. Now I'm using the Pro Filter foundation in the shade 430. I'm taking my angled shadow brush, just placing the foundation all over my face, making sure that I get it everywhere. And then after that, I'm going to take my flat top foundation brush and blend it all in. And just so your girl can make sure that she is blended all in, I'm going to take my Real Techniques blender and just go back in and put, like, I'm telling y'all, I'll be blending for days. I'm blending it in, this foundation in everywhere. And now I'm going to take my Pro Filter concealer in the shade 390. Y'all, this ain't my damn shade, but I made it work. And I'm using my Real Techniques blender just to blend it all in. You know, yes, girl. Now I'm using my ColourPop foundation stick in the shade 210. And I'm using that as my contour shade. And I'm just going in and carving out my face. And I'm blending that all in. And now I'm going to take my Airspun translucent powder. And I'm setting it in all of my highlighted areas. Girl, you already cute, girl. Girl, you okay. Now I'm taking an Instant Retouch setting powder in my shade Nutmeg. And y'all, when I say no flashback, period. I'm blending it in all in my face, making sure that I get it everywhere. Now I'm using that NYX matte eyeliner in the shade Black. And then I'm using a blush that I got from MAC. I'm not even going to tell you about this blush, but I use that to set my contour, and yeah, it always turns out flawless. And now I'm using my Milani blush, and I'm using an angled blush brush for that. Going in, now I'm using my Blistex Ultra Rich Hydration Chapstick. I had to put that in there because a lot of YouTubers don't show you, like, you know, them hydrating their lips, and I like to hydrate my lips. Now I'm using my Fenty Beauty Matte Stick in the shade Cinnamon. And I'm putting it in all of my highlighted areas so, you know, I can have, like, that beautiful glow. Yes, girl. Yes. And I'm taking my tapered highlight brush, and I'm just blending it all in. Yes, he hating, but I'm blending it all in. And sometimes I go in with my contour and just, you know, make it so my highlight can pop even more. Now I'm taking my $2, yes, boo, $2, I'm going to say it again, $2 lashes. And go ahead and put them on. Get on fleek right quick. Now I'm taking that Glass Bomb in the shade Fussy. And I'm putting it on my lips. And y'all, when I tell y'all this is the most, like, this is the prettiest shade. And it smells good. It smells good. And now I'm going to go in with my powder brush and just take the excess powder and just, you know, make sure that I'm blending everything in. I need to be blended. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay setting spray in a De-Slick Oil Control. I'm spraying my face, and now I'm going to take that same blender and just make sure that I tap the spray into my face. And y'all, when I tell y'all no oil, I don't get oily. And this is my finished look. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on all social media platforms. Thanks, boo.